Tom, why don't we go to the movies tomorrow afternoon?
I'd like to, but tomorrow afternoon I have a dancing lesson.
Then let's go after you finish it. When does it end?
Hey, Sophia. Long time no see. Where have you been?
I was in Australia.
Cool. You must have seen koalas, right?
Bruce, why are you in a hurry?
I think I left my wallet in the science lab.
I saw Mr. Stanley lock the door and leave the lab.
Nowadays, I'm really exhausted. I have a lot of work to do.
Why are you so busy?
I have to study for an exam. And I started a part-time job at a gas station. Did you finish making the name tags for this weekend's conference, Susan?
Almost. I'm about to have them printed.
It'll be really embarrassing if we mess up any of their names or titles. Hey, Linda. Let's go out to see a movie.
Not now. I have to finish my history homework.
Is it going to take long?
Hey, Jack. How can I get to the Blue Art Center?
It's quite far from here. I think you should take the subway.
Which line should I take?
Wow, this fitness center looks nice.
Is this your first time to work out here?
Yes. Which exercise should I begin with?
What did you do yesterday?
I saw the movie Love and Life with my family.
Really? Did you enjoy it?
You look worried. What's up?
I think I lost my handbag.
Really? Where do you think you left it?
Sky and Ocean Travels. May I help you?
Yes. Has the position for the tour guide been filled?
No, not yet. Did you send an application?
Excuse me, is Mr. Brown here?
I'm afraid he's out for lunch.
When do you expect him back?
How was your Christmas shopping yesterday?
Great. I went to Christina Mall and there were a lot of sales.
Did you get anything good there?
You look great. What did you do during vacation?
I traveled across Europe with my friends.
Wow, sounds cool. What was it like?
Do you know why Jane is upset with us?
We didn't invite her to the party last night.
Well, it wasn't intentional. What can we do about this?
Jason, did you finish your science project?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
When is the project due?
Jennifer, are you ready for your presentation?
I just need to add a few more slides to my PowerPoint, but my computer broke down.
Really? You can use mine if you like.